The Great Blizzard of 1888, USA. Imagine tons of white death falling from the sky onto a city, bringing life to a complete standstill. The Great Blizzard of 1888. This massive storm, which struck the U.S. East Coast in March, blanketed New York with 1.5 meters of snow. In some places, snowdrifts reached 15 meters high, driven by the wind. When people opened their front doors, they were met by a massive wall of snow. The streets turned into graveyards, trains froze on the tracks, and over 400 people lost their lives. This disaster shook the city so deeply that New Yorkers decided to build the world's most famous subway system underground to ensure they'd never be stranded above ground again. Is snow still romantic to you? Let's discuss in the comments.